We are involved in restoring the Rochambeau statue at Kings Park in Newport, supported by the Alliance Française. This project involves 4 steps, which are the statue itself, the plaques at the base of the statue, cleaning the stone base of the statue, and also the restoring the cauldron, which sits on top of the pyramid. So here we're going to discuss the mythology of the various symbols on the cauldron.
Go.
All right, so this is a hippocampus. It is a literal seahorse. What I know about this, a mythological creature, is that it takes the first half of its body out of the water and then gets people to ride it. And then, before they can get off, it dives into the water and drowns the people. Yeah, so that's pretty sad.
Okay, start.
This is a caduceus and I know nothing about it.
Well, I'll tell you a little bit about it. This is the staff of Hermes Trismegistus, who is also known as Tehuti in Egypt. And the 2 snakes are his wisdom, and I don't know why he has wings, because he has wings on his hat and wings on his shoes too, but no wings on him. So it's the symbol of magic and law and medicine
He's
and
the
health.
god of the heralds.
And science.
Yeah.
Because that's what, right, because he cares about knowing things. That's why he's the messenger.
Oh, that makes sense. I didn't know that one.